Hi, Matt Hopkins, Ideal Products, and we recently moved into a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Riverside, California. Let's take you for a tour. Let's take a look at some of the machines. Top of the line machinery here. Got a couple CNC machines. Got a beam saw, and another one on the way. Over in this corner back here is where we manufacture all of our handmade benches. We've got two edge banding machines. We've also got our spray booths for the finishing of the natural wood products. And this is our assembly line where we build our boxes, hang our doors. So you can sort of see the process of how the lockers are made. After being cut on the machines, all the parts make their way over here to the assembly line where the boxes are built. Doors are hung around the other side. Then we palletize, load them up, and get ready to ship. It's our new factory. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Have a great day. Mic check. Hi, Matt. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Hold on. Okay, ready?